Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna try to install a HTML template for this machine shop website. Um, as you've seen, let's scroll down, let's show you an example how it looks. So this is the example of the template. Currently you're seeing a Elementor template which is included with your HTML, so we'll give you HTML and a Elementor template for the same price. If you do need help at any time of the point, please reach out to us and we'll get some help for you. We can also install it for you and give some recommendations on marketing or other needs. Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is you go inside your hosting account. This can be Hostinger, that can be GoDaddy, Namecheap, whichever you have. All of them basically gonna be the same. You will be looking for the file manager. Either go through the cPanel, or in Hostinger they have their own thing they call the H panel. So in this case we're going to navigate down to the website we want to install it on. In this case we'll take our big global venture as an example website, and we're going to go inside the file manager. Let's open that one up, and basically what we're going to do is simply create a subfolder. Now if you do not have anything installed on the website, you can directly upload it to the root. So in this case, we're going to create a new folder. This is something all the previous one I was testing out. So let's call it machining. There you go. Call it just machining. And as you can see, the folder is empty. So now if you do go and navigate to the website, it will be, in this case, bigglobalventure.com/machining. We should not be able to see anything there. Let's go ahead. Machining. There you go. So Hostinger is displaying forbidden, other places show a simply blank page. So let's start uploading the files. So it's a very simple process, extremely simple process. Simply navigate down to the folder that you did download the files. You will see a machine shop website zip folder. Right click and extract all. All right. Let's double click, navigate there. So inside you're also going to see instructions. We're going to include some simple, straightforward instructions how to edit all necessary files. Let's select the files first. So each section of the website is divided in different areas, like the banner, the header, the footer. It should be pretty straightforward. So we uploaded this. Let's refresh this, and now you could see actual content in there already. However, it's going to be missing all the styles and all the pictures because we did not upload that yet. See, so there you go. Now we do not get the forbidden anymore, but we're getting the actual website content without the styling and without the images. So all we have to do now is go back inside our web host and upload the rest of the files. In this case, we're going to select the folders and go with assets. We can do only one at a time. We cannot select multiple ones. Okay. Alright, let's go and select the second folder. Let's see if we can select the other one as well. I think we may not be able to use the uploads folder, but you don't need that really. Yeah, I should think that should do it. Let's go and refresh again. There you go. There you have it. Take a look at that. That looks beautiful. See, and all of these things you can edit yourself. Fairly straightforward. If you give it to any designer, they'll be able to easily navigate. You can use some online free HTML editor, or you can simply let us know as well. There will be some modifications, some customization you need to do, some settings to get the contact form working properly. That will depend on your hosting. If you do need a hosting, anything like that, you can refer to our website. Go to bigglobalventure.com/resources. And we include some links so you can simply contact us and we'll find a solution for you no matter what you need. And of course, we do machining related services, marketing, design, SEO, all the other goodies, and the actual manufacturing part itself, engineering support, CAD design, CNC programming, CMM programming. I'm doing it for like 25 years, so I want to combine these things. Yeah, again, thank you very much for choosing Bay Global Ventures and Machining Partner, and hope if you have any questions, any issues, please reach out. Thank you.